Welcome to a new adventure where we bring the world to your kitchen. Today, we are exploring the vibrant flavors of Thai cuisine. Thai cuisine is a remarkable blend of taste sensations, capturing the essence of several culinary traditions. At its core, it's all about balance. The harmony of sweet, sour, salty and spicy flavors that dance on your palate, creating a symphony of taste that is unmistakably Thai. Imagine a cuisine that is as diverse as the country's landscape, from the bustling street markets of Bangkok to the tranquil beaches of Phuket. We're talking about dishes that are as rich in history as they are in flavor, a true culinary journey that transcends borders and brings people together. Thai cooking revolves around fresh, aromatic ingredients. The use of herbs and spices not only adds depth to the dishes but also has numerous health benefits. For instance, lemongrass, a staple in Thai cuisine, is known for its ability to aid digestion and boost immunity. Today's menu will introduce you to some of the most beloved Thai dishes. We'll be using ingredients that you can easily find in your local grocery store, or even grow in your own backyard. Think of vibrant herbs like basil and cilantro, aromatic spices like coriander and cumin, tangy tamarind paste, and of course the humble yet versatile chili. We'll also delve into the world of Thai sauces, the secret behind the cuisine's distinctive taste. Soy sauce, fish sauce, and oyster sauce each add a unique flavor profile to Thai dishes, making them truly unforgettable. And let's not forget about the star of the show, rice. In Thailand, it's more than just a side dish, it's a way of life. From fragrant jasmine rice to sticky rice, each variety has its own character and plays a vital role in Thai cuisine. So, are you ready to embark on this culinary adventure? With these ingredients, we're set to bring Thailand to our own home kitchens. Let's roll up our sleeves and immerse ourselves in the delightful world of Thai cooking, where every dish tells a story, and every bite takes you on a journey. Now that we've set the stage, it's time to dive into the cooking. Let's start with a classic, Pad Thai. This dish is all about balance. The tangy tamarind, the sweetness of palm sugar, and the nuttiness of roasted peanuts. You'll want to soak your rice noodles until they're just tender, then stir-fry them with eggs and tofu in a searing hot wok. If you can't find tamarind, lime juice can be a good substitute for that sour kick. And don't forget the garnish, a handful of fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice can elevate your pad thai to a whole new level. Next up, green curry. This dish is a symphony of flavors with creamy coconut milk, fiery green chilies and aromatic Thai basil. Start by pounding together your curry paste. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, a food processor will do the trick. And if some of the ingredients are hard to find, don't sweat it. You can use bell peppers instead of Thai eggplants, and Italian basil can stand in for Thai basil. Last, but certainly not least, mango sticky rice. This dessert is the perfect end to a Thai feast. The key here is the glutinous rice, also known as sticky rice. Soak it overnight, then steam it until it's tender. While the rice is steaming, you can start on your coconut sauce. It's as simple as simmering together coconut milk, sugar, and a pinch of salt. And for the mango, choose a ripe one that's sweet and juicy. If mangoes aren't in season, canned mango slices or even peaches can be a sweet alternative. So there you have it, 3 Thai dishes that you can whip up in your own kitchen. Remember, cooking is all about creativity, so feel free to experiment with these recipes and make them your own. And if you're missing an ingredient or two, don't worry. There's always a substitute that can bring you one step closer to your culinary adventure. And just like that, we've brought Thailand to our tables. Having prepared our Thai feast, it's time to balance it out with some energy-boosting exercises. Exercise is an integral part of Thai culture, blending seamlessly with daily life. It's a country known for its vigorous martial art, Muay Thai, and lively traditional dances, both of which we'll borrow elements from for our workout. Let's start with bodyweight squats, a fundamental exercise that mimics the strong, stable stance of a Muay Thai fighter. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, push your hips back and bend your knees as if sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions, resting for 30 seconds between sets. Next we move to shadow boxing, a staple in Muay Thai training. It's a full-body workout that improves coordination, agility, and cardiovascular health. Imagine an opponent in front of you and throw punches and kicks into the air. Keep your movements fluid and quick, just like a real fight. Aim for 3 rounds of 2 minutes each with a minute's rest in between. Now let's engage our core with the Thai dancer's twist. This move is inspired by traditional Thai dance, known for its graceful, twisting movements. Stand upright, extend your arms to the sides, and twist your torso from left to right. Do this for 1 minute, rest, then repeat 2 more times. Lastly, we have the Muay Thai push-up. It's a regular push-up, but with a twist. You'll explode up so that your hands leave the ground, mimicking the explosive power of a Muay Thai punch. Do as many as you can for 20 seconds, rest for 10 seconds, then repeat for a total of 4 rounds. Remember, these workouts are not just about burning calories. They're about embracing a culture that values physical strength and vitality. They're about understanding that fitness is a lifestyle, not a chore. It's about balance, about pairing a sumptuous Thai meal with a vigorous workout. With that workout, we've not only enjoyed the flavors of Thailand but also its vibrant physical culture. After that invigorating workout, it's time to reward ourselves with the Thai feast we've prepared. As we settle down to enjoy our meal, let's take a moment to appreciate the vibrant colors and enticing aromas that make Thai cuisine so unique. Each dish on our table tells a story, a tale of tradition and innovation that's been passed down through generations. The Pad Thai, with its mix of sweet, sour, and salty flavors, is a testament to the balance that Thai cuisine embodies. The green curry, with its rich, creamy sauce and tender chunks of chicken, is a symphony of spices that sings of Thailand's culinary heritage. And the mango sticky rice, with its delicate sweetness and comforting texture, is a beloved dessert that brings a fitting end to our feast. As we savor these dishes, let's practice mindful eating. This means paying attention to each bite, appreciating the flavors and textures, and listening to our body's signals of hunger and fullness. It's not just about nourishment, but also about enjoyment and connection. Setting up a cozy dining space at home can enhance this experience. You might light some candles, play some soft music, or decorate your table with flowers. Create an atmosphere that makes you feel relaxed and present. Remember, food is more than just fuel for our bodies. It's a way of exploring the world, of connecting with different cultures, and of bringing joy and variety into our everyday lives. So as you enjoy your Thai feast, take a moment to appreciate the journey you've embarked on today. You've learned about a new cuisine, tried your hand at new recipes, and even incorporated a new workout into your routine. So, go ahead and dig in, savor the flavors, enjoy the moment, and remember that every meal is an opportunity to learn, grow, and celebrate the beauty of our diverse world. That was a wonderful journey through Thai cuisine and culture, all from the comfort of home. We've cooked, we've worked out, and we've savored every bite of our Thai feast. Let's take a moment to reflect on our journey today. We've not just sampled the vibrant flavors of Thailand, but also brought a slice of it right into our homes. The essence of Thai cuisine is the harmony of flavors, the perfect balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. We've seen how this balance can be achieved with readily available ingredients. We've also learned that you don't always need exotic ingredients to create authentic Thai dishes. Simple substitutions can work wonders, and that's the beauty of home cooking. Today's fitness routine was a blend of traditional Thai moves and bodyweight exercises. We've proved that you don't need a gym to stay fit. Your living room, your kitchen, any space in your home can double up as your workout zone. And the best part? These workouts are not just for burning calories but also for having fun. Then, we moved on to the best part of any culinary journey, the tasting. We've savored our homemade pad thai, green curry, and mango sticky rice. We've relished the sweetness of the mango, the spiciness of the curry, the tanginess of the tamarind. And in doing so, we've experienced the joy of mindful eating. We've appreciated the textures, the colors, the flavors, and the aroma of our Thai feast. In essence, we've embarked on a culinary and fitness journey without stepping outside our homes. We've explored a new culture, enjoyed delicious meals, and stayed active, and we've done all this while having a great time. So here's a toast to the joy of cooking, the thrill of working out, and the pleasure of savoring international flavors. And remember, this is just the beginning. There are many more culinary and fitness adventures waiting for you. Thank you for joining us on this culinary and fitness journey. Stay tuned for more adventures from home.